What is up, everybody? Booztown GB here, coming at you, and we got some headlights and some fancy tires. There's something I want to try with this thing because, honestly, for a little truck like this contraption of a rat rod, mud truck, bogger, with the quiet exhaust on it, it honestly feels more like a trail truck and like a rock crawler, more so like a trail truck. It's actually kind of fun in that aspect, just crawling over moguls and hoovies and all type of friggin' junk, if you will. So one thing I want to do today is see if we can't conquer the hill right there. So the top of that, where the grass is about the roof line of the truck. Years ago I made this ramp because it was a pretty bad ramp. So you come up here, but you can't just go straight up it like a jerk, because there is the flume to let the water from the bog down into the river. You gotta really hook the corner and like almost put yourself over the edge. And if you see right here, I've already ran it over a few times. Now that's good because I won't just immediately cut the tire down. As you can see how far away we are now, it's quite the height. And if I fuck up, we're headed into the drink. That's probably 5 to 7 feet deep. So truck be pretty much gone. And it drops off. Like right at the edge there, it just drops. See that? See that groove? Deer run. They like coming through here. I might have to back down the sketch pass a little bit and cut the corner, because the last time I did it with pine needle, I think my tire was right here, which is pretty close to just falling in, and I'd rather not fall in immediately with this truck. That was pretty good. A little sketchy there. I need to bleed the brakes because there is none. So if I clutch in and roll back, we just gotta sidestep the clutch and go for it. So, as you can see, it's pretty high up there, folks. No spotter. Let's look at this edge. It's pretty vertical. So right here where, yeah, this is like the lowest point. The tire's like a foot higher than my head. So it's quite the sketchy turn here, and I'm pretty sure we were doing some sidewalling. Yep, look, no, I don't know, I might have just wiped that off. Yeah, right there. some sidewalling. Or that might have been from the rock that I ran over there, because this thing with the weld, it just has a welded rear diff. The front is not welded. I don't think it needs to be welded. Well, that thing just went somewhere. Everything seems fine. So, show you how close we got. We did dip the tire in there, so it is a really hard, because you got to pretty much throw the truck that way as soon as you angle up here. And well, the diff and a loose power steering belt don't do so good. You fall down in that, you're probably flipping over, because that's just right on its side, and you'd be jammed up in all that steel flume part. That's pretty much it. I just wanted to test this out on here, on that little piece, because that is a treacherous run. When I tried it with the Lamborghini, before I made it four-wheel drive, I put it in the hole, and that was most unfun, because you shouldn't be attempting a hill like that with no two-wheel drive dually, I'll tell you that. And I thought we were gonna slide. Once I sidestepped and started bouncing, we bouncing now. I thought we were gonna mess it up and end up really screwed, but that's pretty much it. Oil pressure was decent. I don't know temperature, because I don't have that gauge in here. Don't need none of that. I can feel the heat coming off. Isn't that lyrics in a song? I can feel the heat coming off. Yeah. Ease the seat back. Anyway, I think that's it.